I started a shorts video channel for the first time and it had a very strange result for me. In this video, I want to show you the results of this channel and share my experiences with you. I started this channel a few months ago. I found this by chance in a shorts feed. And for more information, I checked two of the biggest channels in this niche. These two channels that you see are the biggest channels in the entertainment niche. After checking these two channels, I came to the conclusion that for the success of the channel, I have to choose the best meme from each video. And the memes that I post should be a selection of the best memes from the best channels. To be successful and monetize your shorts channel, you need to post shorts videos every day. Because in order to reach the requirements for monetization in short channels, you need 10 million views in 3 months and 1,000 subscribers. You should increase the number of your videos to have more chances. I used to make 3 videos a day for this channel to get results faster. Now let's go to the analytics section, so check the first video I posted. My first video that I posted is related to Wednesday series memes, which were very popular at the time. And there were many people looking for content about Wednesday series memes. And as you can see, it got 1.3 thousand views, which is not a bad start. And a very important point is that when you make a shorts video, it's possible that one of your shorts video will explode, but one of them will get less views. This is a problem that existed in the beginning of shorts videos, and nobody yet has found a reason for this problem, and this problem has happened to everyone. This was that experience in several shorts videos. The rest of the videos, as you can see, received between 1,000 and 3,000 views. This video has the most views on my channel, with 3,500 views. The average percent view for this video is close to 70%, which is pretty good, and it shows that the audience saw an average of 70% of this video. And in this section, we can see the percentage of people who saw this video, or 63% of people saw this video, and those who rejected this video. And only 37% swiped away. And if you look at the other videos, you'll realize that they all had acceptable analytics. Now I want to tell you 3 tips that by following them, you can bring your YouTube Shorts channel to income generation conditions. Number 1, you must make a video that forces the audience to watch the video all the way to the end, and even repeat that video several times. If you make a video that meets this criteria, your video will go viral, and you will get explosive views. Number 2, if the content you post for your shorts isn't your own, you're going to have to edit them and make changes in it so that you don't have any trouble when it comes to monetizing your channel. Number 3, you make your shorts video for a larger audience. Because to be monetized, you need to get millions of views. You will mainly find these millions in topics like entertainment and similar themes. I was able to reach 90 subscribers by posting videos every day for 30 days. Of course, I haven't been active for some time, which made the subscribers drop a little bit. In order to have a successful YouTube Shorts channel, you must repeat these steps for more than 3 months so that you can make that channel profitable. Of course, you can earn money from shorts channels without being monetized. For example, you can create a shorts channel and introduce Amazon products in it, and then put your affiliate link in the description and receive a commission for each sale. In addition to Amazon, you can also find these products in ClickBank and Digistore24 websites. To start a shorts channel, I don't recommend this topic because I looked again at the top channels of this topic and realized that the views of this topic has dropped a lot compared to the past, and the income has also decreased. You may be asking, what are the best topics to start your YouTube Shorts channel? The best ones will be the ones that are viral, that involve famous people, or has the ability to get millions of views. For example, Mr. Beast interviews is a topic that can have millions of views, or topics such as exercising, animals, celebrities, health, cooking, singers, movies and series, etc. If you want a video on how to make a shorts channel that will go viral, tell me in the comments. With the experience I have, I can definitely tell you every important point that will be 100% successful. If you want to know the 8 best cash cow YouTube channels, click this video right here.